What are alpha brain waves and how can they improve your performance? Alpha brain waves are a type of neural oscillation that occur in the frequency range of 8 to 12 Hz. They are most commonly observed in the brain's occipital lobe, which is located at the back of the head, but can also be detected in other regions. Alpha waves are associated with a relaxed and calm mental state and are often seen when a person is daydreaming, meditating, or in a light state of sleep. They are also linked to improved creativity, focus, and learning. Research has shown that increasing alpha brain wave activity through practices such as meditation, biofeedback, and neurofeedback can have a positive impact on cognitive performance. For example, studies have found that individuals who practice meditation regularly have higher levels of alpha brain wave activity and perform better on tasks that require attention and focus. Moreover, certain brain training tools like alpha-stim devices are designed to stimulate alpha brain waves in individuals, leading to reduced anxiety, improved mood, and better sleep quality. In summary, increasing alpha brain wave activity can help improve cognitive performance and promote overall well-being.